It may be the final phase, but the clashes and violence continue in Bengal. Sadly, another incident has emerged of violent confrontations that are taking place in Bengal. Look at that. Now, Bharatiya Janata Party this time is alleging electronic voting machine rigging in Diamond Harbour. Diamond Harbour is a crucial constituency. That's where Abhishek Banerjee, the nephew of Mamata Banerjee, whose party's general secretary, is a candidate from. Look at how the police personnel are also being attacked. There's a full-on commotion outside the election booth in Jadavpur. BJP candidate is alleging that the booth jamming is being done by TMC. Look at that, head injuries. What's happening this time in Bengal? There have been reports of post-poll violence earlier, but this time, even during the polls, there is a full-on violence taking place. TMC workers are staging a protest against Tapas Roy because he's unfaithful to Mamata Banerjee. His convoy was stopped. So these are the latest visuals coming in. Remember, for every phase of election in Bengal, there has been either a scuffle, a protest, a violent confrontation. Look at that, how if the police are resorting to lathi charge, then the cops are being pelted with stones. This is definitely not an easy situation when it comes to Bengal, because there appears to be a constant tension that prevails in different areas. This is Jadavpur this time. There were earlier other constituencies. I want to immediately bring in Indrajit Kundu from Kolkata. There's also Anirban from Diamond Harbour. Anirban, I'll come to you because you're there in Diamond Harbour. Is this specifically in Diamond Harbour where you're reporting these incidents from?
Well, the incident happened in the Falta in Jalgachi booth. The BJP candidate, who is Abhijit Bobby Das, has alleged that the booth rigging has happened inside and the booth has been jammed by the TMC goons, as alleged. Sir, what has happened? We are live in India today right now. So what has happened?
इधर पूरे atrocities चल रहा है. इधर जनरल ऑब्जर्वर एंड पुलिस ऑब्जर्वर कोई काम नहीं कर रहा है. इधर सेंटर फोर्स जो कश्मीर का ठंडा कर दिया, इधर फलता का जहांगीर का टीम को ठंडा नहीं करना पाए. ये लोग सब देख रहा है. इधर पूरा कैमरा लोकेशन.
What has exactly happened inside?
इधर जो आपका प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसर और उनको जो साथी है, असिस्टेंट है, सब लोग मिलकर ईवीएम मशीन उनको पास रखा था. उनका पास आई कार्ड भी नहीं है और वो लोग जिधर आदमी जा रहा है वोट देने के लिए उनको बोल रहा है टीएमसी को वोट दो, और कहां से वोट दे रहा है वो सब देख रहा है.
So well,
इधर लास्ट 10 years से इधर कोई आदमी का राइट्स नहीं है पंचायत वोट का. यही नहीं था. इधर पहले टीएमसी का एमपी था शोभन मित्र, उसी टाइम में एट्रोसिटीज नहीं है. जॉब इधर का एमपी अभिषेक बैनर्जी आया था, उसके बाद क्रिमिनल्स इधर राज कर रहा है. कोई आदमी की इवन टीएमसी का जो लोग वोट दे रहा है वो भी पंचायत चुनाव में टीएमसी का वोट नहीं देना पाए बिकॉज ऑफ द एट्रोसिटीज.
Well, the BJP candidate is alleging TMC goons that has rigging the booth right now, and the people over here are not allowed to cast their own vote, as the chappa is already being happened in various, as alleged by the BJP candidate, and right now he's going and visiting the booths where allegedly the chappa is happening, and he is also saying police that to take a look over it. Over to you.
Because Indrajit Kundu and Ritik Mandal are also joining me. Indrajit, you tell me, what is the situation on the ground? Each phase, when we have a conversation, it's about not just election and voting, but also violence.
Well, Pooja, this is a very, very important phase. This is the final phase of elections, and this is Kolkata and the greater Kolkata area. I've been, trailing the North Kolkata BJP candidate Tapas Roy's convoy since morning, ever since voting began. And in multiple locations, he has been alleging that the BJP agents have not been allowed to sit, is what the BJP has alleged. Tapas Roy is a Trinamool Congress veteran. It's just a few months back, he quit the party and joined BJP and got a ticket for this prestigious North Kolkata seat. And hopefully we'll be able to show that sequence. Just a short while back at Beleghata area, he faced tremendous protests by Trinamool Congress workers, especially women cadres of the Trinamool Congress, who began protesting just as he he got off his vehicle to inspect a booth. Trinamool Congress women workers started sloganeering, protesting, saying that he had been unfaithful to the party, to Mamata Banerjee, and he had been in the party for so long. He had got all the facilities from the party, and now he's gone against the Trinamool Congress. So Tapas Roy in North Kolkata facing stiff resistance from Trinamool Congress workers on the ground, because remember, it is a prestige fight between Tapas Roy, who is a Trinamool Congress veteran from North Calcutta, and he's taking his one-time, comrade in arms in the party, Shudip Bandyopadhyay, who is a multiple-time MP from North Calcutta. It's a very prestigious battle for North Calcutta, and of course the Calcutta and Greater Calcutta region, all the 9 seats that are on the offing today were won by the Trinamool Congress. This is known as the TMC bastion, and therefore the BJP, which is the principal opposition party in the state, they are trying to put up a stiff resistance. Also, this is not just a bipolar contest in this area. There is also the CPIM, and CPIM has fielded some very good candidates. In Damdam, there is Sujan Chakraborty, who is a former MP. There is Srijan Bhattacharya in Jadavpur. So the CPIM also trying to make this bipolar contest somehow triangular, and that would be very interesting to see. So far since morning, there has been some heated altercations, arguments between the BJP candidate, its agent, and Trinamool Congress workers. We haven't seen any explicit incidents of violence in Kolkata right now. However, as Anirban has been stating, there are allegations from Diamond Harbour coming in, from Joynagar in South 24 Pargana, where an EVM was thrown into the pond. These are allegations that have come in, unsavory images, emerging out from various other locations in West Bengal.
Ritik, what are you hearing this time? Because it looks like some people, we can see from the visuals, have received head injuries as well. Ritik, if you can hear me. Ritik Mondal, if you can hear me. What are you hearing from on the ground?
Yes,
go
I
ahead,
can
go
hear
ahead.
you. Definitely in Bhangur, as Indrajit and Anirban both were speaking about the sporadic violence that have been erupted in parts of Bengal on the last leg of election. And the election is heading towards the closure. But what we see, mostly the Bhangur is simmering. Many reports of violence are erupting from the tension torn area of Bhangur. Remember, Bhangur comes under the Jadavpur constituency, where CPIM and ISF, both the opposition party, have accused the ruling dispensation TMC for hurling bomb. A huge number of police have been rushed to the spot. We can see they even resorted to lathi charge to push back the gathering mob in front of the polling station. And in that scuffle between TMC and ISF supporters, many people suffered injuries, and allegations related to intimidating voters and polling agents of the left party have been raised from in Damdam area. As we spoke to the candidate of Sujan Chakraborty, he alleges that they lodged complaint with the election commission with regards to such incident that erupted since last night in parts of Bishorpara or in Damdam, where the voters and cadres of left party were threatened by the TMC-led goons. But they also alleges that there's a delay dolly taking action from the election commission. But as we know that all polling booths are covered with central forces, and an adequate number of QRT team have been deployed for in order to peaceful conduct of polling.
So all India Today colleagues to please stay on with me.